Hello everybody, today I'm showing you how you can format your pen drive or drive. Okay, so how you can do that? First of all, I'll use my pen drive, insert my pen drive in my laptop. Okay, I have inserted my pen drive in my laptop. You can see the D drive. Okay, so open the file explorer. Okay, I'll open my file explorer. Okay, click on this PC. When you click on this PC, you can see I have 64 GB pen drive. Okay, so if you want to format it, you have to right click on it. Okay, and click format option. Okay, when you click format option, you can see the option here. Just don't do anything, just click start. Okay, if you do anything else, it's go to advanced level, so just click start. When you click start, it show you the warning. Okay, click OK. The format is completed. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.